Um, so mhm, this is just it. Um, what the recent literally just the recent so like you also make it tighter, so it's more tighter. Because literally just this for literally like how long even is this? Make it and make it and please. Please. I would not say. This is literally just the recent tab. Why did you make a recent tab challenge? But the end, no, but literally halfway. Why do you have to put it, Jeremy? Finally, the end. I can make this. I can make this. I can make this. I see 3 points. Yummy. Oh, this is a challenge. Nom 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 nom. The point is easy, kinda. For an, this is hard for a noob. Broski, you made a recent tab level. What even are have fun? Another another recent tab. Great. Do you not know that I can literally just skip the portal? Oh, also I don't need checkpoints. Like why why is that kind of hard? Yo, kind of hard. This challenge is kind of hard. Or unless it's hard to get. Hmm. No, I had it, bro. Why am I moving? What? What in the? What is this? This is just a recent tab. What is this? What? February. And another recent tab. These are all recent tab. They are all recent tab challenge. I died to a triple spike while being a robot. How does that even happen? Also, this path is not hard. I can't skip. What? What is this? What? What is this? Even even my even my levels are more better than this. Like seriously, my levels are better than a recent. And plus, I took so long making this. Look at this. Also, by the way, this is what your level looks like. The recent tab is what it looks like. No, like seriously, it looks like this. Like, why does it look like this? You just spam and rate worthy. Like seriously, why? Polar guys, back on track. Stereo madness. The fake end. I like this part. It's like when you bounce and then You think you win, but nope. You keep going. Also, I like this thing that falls down. What? Anyways. Hmm. Also, this is my favorite part of the level because it's memory. Yeah, let's play it. Let's play it. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Okay, okay. Coin. I love coin, and I died to the coin. No, this is not supposed to happen. Triple spike. I keep dying to a triple spike. Great. Anyways, let's just skip that part and just get to the drop already. I'm supposed to be in normal, so it's harder. Again. How did I die? Again, I like this level because I made it. I'm a fool. Am I cook? Yeah. I'm not gonna get copyrighted. Nah. Jungle. I like the jungle part and the lava. It's basically just that, but cooler. And by the way, this is my first level. My first level. And I spelled it wrong. First level. It's literally like just hold. Just hold. But it's a hard. But if you keep holding, then you die, and just you have to wait. Yum yum yum. So I didn't know how keys work back then. Anyways, just do this and then click, and then there you go. And I complete my level. And my second level is a slide. My first platform. We there's no end. Also, my first ever good level is actually where's it? Uh, is it here? Dash. What's this? What the? My first ever good level is a wonderful dream. And guess what? I haven't completed it. It's supposed to be like an easy level, but look at me. I can't even complete it. You're not supposed to click that, you know. that thing, the just jump over that and you'll succeed. And the ball. This is originated from the nightmare. I don't know why. Oh my god, I actually hate that. I actually want to make a better version of this because I can now make better levels. I can now make better levels like this. I really need to upgrade that level. It's tough. Wait. Oh yeah, I'm playing this because I was trying my friend's level and yeah, just try my friend's level and just try my friend's level and just try my friend's level. But anyways, but yeah, you um your levels are recent tab videos. Like, seriously, you need to upgrade this. You you need to upgrade it. It's a recent tab level that we need. Yeah.